Hi everyone, meteorologist Rusty Dawkins with Channel 8 News, looking at hopefully some decent rainfall potentials. We're just going to look at the next couple of days, Thursday and into Friday. But if you don't see rainfall the next couple of days, don't worry. There's a chance Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of next week. Many chances. Just not everybody's going to see rain each day. So if you don't see it, I know whenever I ask for rainfall totals, somebody will put 0 or nil or none. It's like, okay, I get it. You really want rain. Hopefully you see some rain over the next 7 to 10 days. Here's our stormcast. This is the first one. This is kind of a long range, so it doesn't always do really good with the specifics, but it kind of levels the playing field, if you will. And this is what this one's saying through Friday, 3 p.m. Anywhere from 5/100ths of an inch to a half an inch in some spots. So kind of a widespread 2/10, 3/10, 4/10 of a tenth of rain. So that's model number one. Model number two, very similar, where it's anywhere from next to nothing to maybe a tenth of an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch. That's about it for this particular rainfall model through Friday afternoon. This one, as we head through Thursday into Friday, a little more. This is kind of a middle range model, so it's a little more specific. Notice near Broken Bow and Burwell, about a half an inch. Norfolk, half an inch. But Columbus, next to nothing. Lincoln, a whole bunch. Nebraska City, even more. Omaha, almost nothing. So this means there's thunderstorms in the forecast. If you get underneath the thunderstorm, you'll see a lot more than your neighbor. So that 1.43 inches, that would be like at the airport. But southeast Lincoln, maybe towards Highway 2, that Sam's Club out there, maybe next to nothing. I mean, or flip-flop it. I mean, that's these kinds of storms. So here's the next one. This is another mid-range model, kind of doing the same thing, where it has just a swath through the center part of Nebraska, kind of along Highway 2 and then up towards Norfolk and Columbus. So anywhere from a half an inch to almost 2 inches near Columbus. Remember, the other one had 1/10 of an inch. So pockets of thunderstorms going to be possible. If you don't see that, you might get a 1/10 to a quarter of an inch. Now this one, this stormcast through Thursday afternoon into the evening hours. This is a short range model, and it's showing more rainfall towards northeast Nebraska, and there's actually kind of just a small chance of some strong storms, maybe severe storms in north central and northeast Nebraska. So this one makes sense, where we would see lesser amounts to the south, higher amounts to the north as we head through Thursday into Friday. So one more model to show you. This is the other short range forecast. It is also showing the storms kind of picking up strength in north central northeast Nebraska, like from O'Neill, Burwell, Norfolk, and then sliding them down towards Columbus, Lincoln, Omaha, Nebraska City. So that also kind of coincides with what feels like might be a right forecast. But still, lots of spots seeing nothing, some spots seeing 1/10 of an inch, some spots seeing quarter to a half an inch. So kind of all over the place. Generally, what I'm feeling is that it's going to be just kind of widespread light rain showers, 1/10 of an inch to a quarter of an inch. But those thunderstorms that get popping would drop a quick inch of rain in some spots. So that's, it's spring. That makes sense. We'll do more of these as we head through the next several days. Hopefully, if you need the rain, you see the rain. We'll see you soon.